3 weeks after a fire broke out at the Pulau Burung landfill in Nibong Tebal, the Fire and Rescue Department has successfully extinguished 98% of the blaze. It was reported that more than 11 hectares of the nearly 33 hectares landfill has been up in smokes since January 12. According to the Seberang Prai Selatan District Management Committee, the success was a result of cooperation between numerous federal and state agencies. It said the disaster management workflow would be standardized by the Disaster Operation Control Center to ensure existing resources are being fully optimized. In the meantime, the workflow by agencies in the field will be continued until the completion of the disaster management.